Breaking Free from Procrastination, the 50-plus Dreamer's Guide to Real Estate Investing, the silent weight of waiting. Procrastination isn't laziness. It's often fear wearing a mask. At 50-plus, that fear can sound like, I don't have enough time left. I don't know where to start. What if I make a mistake at my age? I should have done this years ago. Maybe it's too late. The truth? Those voices are lies that steal opportunity. What's even worse is the subtle regret procrastination creates. The quiet someday that becomes never. But here's what most people forget. Age is leverage, not a liability. Your years of resilience, financial experience, and life wisdom make you more prepared than most 20 or 30-year-olds starting out. The real cost of procrastination at 50 plus. Every year you hesitate. Properties are purchased by others. Homes you scrolled past online could be paying someone else's mortgage right now. Equity growth is missed. Waiting means losing compounding appreciation and rental income. Confidence erodes. Each delay convinces you the dream is slipping further away. Legacy impact weakens. Every year you don't build, your family's generational wealth suffers. Think about this. If you had bought just one modest rental property 5 years ago, even with ups and downs, you'd likely have built equity, cash flow, and tax benefits by now. Procrastination doesn't just cost money, it costs options. Why 50 plus is actually the best time to start. Instead of seeing age as an obstacle, recognize your unique advantages. Financial wisdom. You've managed mortgages, budgets, and setbacks. You know the value of money and the sting of debt. Life resilience. You've survived recessions, layoffs, family challenges, and comebacks. Real estate setbacks won't crush you. They'll teach you. Network power. Decades of connections, colleagues, family, friends can become funding partners, mentors, or deal sources. Purpose-driven motivation. Younger investors may be chasing fast cars. You're building a legacy. That why is powerful fuel. Clarity of vision. At 50 plus, you don't need everything. You can build a focused, cash-flowing portfolio that supports freedom, travel, family, or retirement security. Step-by-step guide to fighting procrastination. Step 1. Shift the mindset. Kill someday thinking. Write down, I want to own X number of properties within Y years. Replace I'll start when I'm ready with I'll get ready by starting. Affirm daily, my experience is my greatest advantage. Tip, create a sticky note with your why, e.g., to leave wealth for my grandchildren, and place it where you'll see it daily. Step 2, break the big dream into micro steps. Big goals overwhelm. Small goals create momentum. Example roadmap. Week 1, research your local housing market. Find 3 neighborhoods with potential. Week 2, join 1 local real estate meetup or online investor forum. Week 3, speak to a realtor who works with investors. Week 4, analyze 2 to 3 deals using online tools or spreadsheets. Tip, use a 30-minute daily action window. Even small, consistent actions will outpace months of inaction. Step 3, accountability is your secret weapon. Partner with a friend or spouse and share goals. Hire a coach or join a mentorship program. People act faster when money and accountability are on the line. Post small wins on social media or in groups. You'll feel momentum and inspire others. Tip, tell 1 trusted person, ask me weekly what step I've taken. Accountability destroys procrastination. Step 4, apply the 2-minute rule. If something takes 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. Email a realtor. Call a lender for pre-approval information. Download a property analysis app. These micro actions compound into big progress. Step 5, visualize the cost of inaction. Ask yourself, if I wait 5 more years, how much rental income will I lose? If I take action now, what could my portfolio look like in 5 years? Exercise. Write down both scenarios side by side. Seeing the numbers makes procrastination impossible to justify. Step 6, reward action, not perfection. Perfection is procrastination's best friend. Instead, celebrate progress. Analyzed a property? You win. Met with a realtor? You win. Made your first offer, even if rejected, huge win. You're in the game. Momentum matters more than flawless execution. Step 7. Build a daily anti-procrastination routine. In the morning, give yourself 15 minutes. Read or listen to real estate education, podcast, book, YouTube. In the midday, give yourself 15 to 30 minutes. Take one tangible step, call, email, analysis. In the evening, give yourself 5 minutes. Journal your progress and plan tomorrow's step. Tip: stack this routine with existing habits. Example: listen to real estate podcasts while commuting or walking. Quick 7-day jumpstart plan. Day 1. Write your why and post it where you'll see it. Day 2. Research 3 neighborhoods and property values. Day 3. Call or email 1 real estate agent specializing in investors. Day 4. Watch 1 beginner investing video and take notes. Day 5. Run numbers on 3 properties you find online. Day 6. Speak to a lender or mortgage broker. Day 7. Reflect and journal your first week's progress. Final word: you're not late, you're right on time. At 50 plus, you don't need to race the 25-year-olds. You just need to start. Real estate rewards consistency more than speed. Your decades of knowledge give you an edge, and every action you take plants seeds for your family's future. Procrastination ends the moment you act. An action, no matter how small, moves you from dreamer to doer. Empowering reminder: you haven't missed your chance. You are your chance. This is where hesitation ends and movement begins. You've learned how to break free from useless phrases, conquer your doubt, and take real action toward your real estate dreams. But your journey doesn't stop here. The next step is applying it, building your first deal, your first door, your first legacy. Explore more Real 50 Plus episodes and resources designed to help you build wealth, freedom, and legacy after 50. Your second act starts right here. At Real 50 Plus, we believe that your second act can be your best act.